Hey guys, it's Galaxy Fox Plays here, back with another video for today. There's some wind, since my window's open in the background. And today we're going to be checking out a new game called Castle Cats. I may have already started a little bit yesterday because it looked interesting. So, I'm sorry guys, I would have given you the full view, but I could not. But I hope you enjoy this video. Now let's just wait until it loads. The Lunar New Year, man. Year of the dog. Oh, these cats look so like dogs. That's beautiful. Anyways, so I have me right here. That's Kayla. Give me your money. Give me your money. We will defeat the Puggle Manor if we believe. I didn't do anything to you guys, sorry. And I will customize my cat. What is this? It's beautiful. What is this? It's beautiful. Beautiful. Anyways, I have no idea what I did. So, Oh, that looks cute. Looks like a raccoon. No, not a raccoon, a red panda. Oh, these all look cute, don't they, guys? Which one do you like? That, the one that looks like the leopard, or the one that could look like that looks like a red panda, but it's obviously not. It's a cat. Comment down below which one's your favorite. It's beautiful. Oh, I can be pink. I should be gray. Think so. I want a new tail. What? Seriously? What? Snuffle. Red. Oh, these all look so cute. Oh, I want this in pink. That looks nice. Beautiful. I'm kidding. Yeah. Wait, go back to eyes. Green eyes. Yes. Beautiful. It's exactly what I want to look like. No. I'm going to change my name to beautiful. Confirm. My guiled leader cat has been saved. Now I must exit. Okay. Minima steel. What is, or whatever that is. Metal. It's metal. Okay. So a quest has been completed. Great job. Conan has not leveled up with the rest of them. Where did you go, stupid cats? Phew, I can't believe that worked. I guess dogs really are inferior. We were the ones running away, though. True. Let's head back to the guild. We've got important things to do. You're gonna give me all your money. Oops. We go it. That was funny. We jump. Oh, that's cute. Go with them. Thank you for all your loot. I can't pick up myself. It's kind of what I'm sad about. I can't pick up myself. Now, there is a quest. This only requires Conan. What are we supposed to... Sorry, I didn't read that. What are we supposed to do? Go find all the magical items for the dog spell? We will, but we're going to need help. First, we must unite all of the guilds. How will we do that? We will start by writing a letter and tell them about the evil Pugomancer's plans. I am not entering that battle. Sorry guys, I will be right back, so I might be frozen for a while. Okay guys, I am back from my break, or whatever. I'll collect my stuff. What's your next objective? Go away, we have no objectives. Yes, I only focus on you. Go away! No one likes you. No one likes you. No one likes you. Go away. Go away. Go away. Thank you for all your loot. Go away. Go away. Thank you. Ooh, now what is this? She's so pretty. I want a rare box. Why can't I get a rare box? Because I can't afford it. Doy. Stupid, that's why. I'm kidding. No, I'm not. I was never ever born stupid. What is this? I want the mythical box. Meh, go away if you're gonna say that. If anyone says anything mean, I'm going to throw them. I will never give up. That's right, you won't. I'm gonna kill you if you do. Kidding. Anyways, let's check on our quests. Enter battle. We won't enter the battle with him. Oh, he's fighting a tiger. He definitely needs our help. Kill, give victory! Da-da-da-da-da-da. Da-da-da. The victory song. Da-da-da-da-da-da-da. Da-da-da-da-da-da. Dun dun da 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 da. But what da 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 do. Dun 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 dun. There we go. What do you think about this letter? Looks okay. I think you left out a lot of my awesomeness from our journey in the deep woods. You must have bumped your head while we ran from the evil Pugomancer. There was no awesomeness in that. We'll keep the letter as it is and send it away. Let's hope the other guilds give us their answers. Guild meeting. Yay! Claim. Thank you. What? What is... Oh, that's it. Never mind. Now I want to edit myself. For some reason. I need to wear something beautiful. Oh, these are my eyes. What am I doing? I could have red eyes, but I want to have crystal blue eyes. What is this? These are the only things I can wear. I'm a mysterious cat. That's why I'm black. Kidding. No. I need to be orange. Everything needs to be orange. Anything that can be orange. Ooh, yeah, I'm totally wearing this. Then my eyes, those will be green and gonna be white. Ooh, I want this. Why can't I have this? That's so cute. Why can it only be green? Seriously. Now that just looks like a weird cat right there. To me. Do you guys think it's cute? I don't. I'm sorry. Siamese right here. I'm kidding. Oh yeah. Wait, did I skip one? No. All these look cute. That's why I want them. I especially want this. This looks like a panda right here. A red panda. Right? I'm not kidding. No, I'm seriously not kidding. It looks like a red panda. Most people would agree with me. Well, that is, if they wanted to. I want these. Can seriously. Ew, looks ugly. Ooh, what's the rainbow one? It just turned blue. Now I want to be a gray cat. Yeah, I'm a gray cat. Yeah, I'm a gray cat. Do I want to be holding a weapon? All these weapons are cool. Wait, go back. What? Kidding. The color of my eyes is the color of my power. I am an archer. That's what I want to be. But I want to have something cool to wear. Yes, this looks like an archer outfit. To me it does. I think an archer would wear some green. With some orange eyes. I'm kidding. That looks cute though. Now I want to change my name again. Eclipsiani. I'm kidding. Confirm. My cat has not been saved. All of y'all saw that blue glitch in the background. It looked so weird. Why didn't I appear? Yes, I'm the beautiful archer. Go away. Go away. No. The guild have entered. We are to attend a meeting at the old castle. You mean the old castle far off and on the hill? That place is haunted. If all the guilds are gathered in one place, there's no need to be scared of ghosts, Francis. Ghost or no, we have to speak with the other guild. Let's move. So far, so good in this story. Oh, everyone, I'm so sorry that I'm sad that we're attacking that, but that looked cute. Oh, what now? Oh, what? Oh, what? Oh, what? No, why does it keep switching into another thing? Kill it. Don't let it survive. Anyways, victory is ours. Bonus loot. So laggy. It's too laggy. 21. What is that? Beautiful. Everyone is back from the trip. Well, actually, it's just me. Rude. Kyle. I'm kidding. That's funny. Fortress. How long does it take for a fortress? Can I rename him? I can rename him. Thank you. King. He did say he's a prince. Prince King. I'm kidding. Prince. Look. Can I rename Katniss? Let me rename her. Snow the Archer. Francis. King. No. Yes, beautiful. Katie. What's visible? What is visible? Oh. Well, I'll guess just make it. I don't know what that does. Ooh, can I evolve him? Ooh, what? I have no idea what that does. Not enough embers. Oh, I need 1 ember and 100 coins. Oh, okay. If I evolve her, she'll turn into that. If I evolve this one, he'll evolve to that. If I evolve this, what? Why? No, not even. If I evolve this, I already saw that. I've renamed all of them. They're beautiful. Nala. Hey girl. It's just you. Your name used to be Curio. I will never give up. The guild meeting. Collect our rewards. Success, people! Success is what we are all about. Isn't that right, viewers? Yes. Yes, it is, right? Oh my gosh. Everyone sees this line, right? It's beautiful. Okay, I have to make my voice deep. We, the mighty lions, are already fighting the evil Pugglemancer's forces with all our might. And the whiskers don't need help from anyone. You pack of rogues and thieves are probably only came here to pick our pockets. It sure won't be a challenge, Captain. Was that a threat? People, please. We're here to forge an alliance. The evil Pugglemancer is our true enemy. The Zenpaws are willing to help in any way we can, young hero. But we will never take up any arms. Kittens playing heroes, thieving rogues, and coward monks. There's nothing here for us. We are leaving. We are too. Well, that went great. I am a real hero, right? Sure you are. Let's go back to our guild. We'll do this by ourselves. Whisker threat. Collect all these stuffers. That was a great cutscene story. Stay positive in the face of danger. Never, I'm kidding. Just me, myself, and I. Let's hope we have a good time. Now all the guilds hate us. What a good meeting. Everyone except for the Zenpaws. But they're just peaceful monks. Hey, someone has left a letter here. What does it say? It's a warning from the Whiskers. They think we disrespected them and that they will infiltrate our guild and steal our stuff. Those dirty thieves set up their defenses, everyone. Let no shady cat on our ground. Whisker threat. Da, 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 da. That's technically why they called it the whisker threat. Da, 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 da. So cute, guys. So cute. Battle over. Bonus loot. Got some bonus loot right here. Let's collect all my stuff. Hey, Kate. I'm getting my rewards that I earned. Oops, medical barriers too. Yep, it's whisker sets. It's paw within our guild. Alana. Great. And now we wait. The heist. Da 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 da. We only need snow for this. Conan, we've been waiting for so long now. Stop complaining, Francis. Do you want your precious shinies to be stolen? I'm too tired to care. I agree with Francis for once. I don't think those screws are coming. But they said they would. Exactly. We've been fooled. That's what they want us to think. To let our guard down. We hold our ground. The heist. Da 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 da. Okay, we might die from this. We might die. Yeah, I'm so sorry. Return to the guild. Oh, I have never had to quit a quest before. That is my first time actually quitting a quest. But I had to. We were gonna die if we continued. Where's Snow? Snow, where are you? Why didn't you appear? Okay, zombies are no match for me. No one cares. You know what? No, give me some loot. Give me some loot. Give me some loot. Why don't you give me some loot? Some loot. Some loot. Some loot. Thank you. Thank you, everyone. Thank you for your loot. Anyways, I guess that's it for some Castle Cats. We will remain with our quest in the next video. Bye-bye, guys. Please subscribe, comment, and like. Which one is your favorite Castle Cats? Bye-bye.